today's live stream, we are focusing on the hottest fields in cloud computing and cybersecurity. Hi everyone, don't miss our latest IT demo quiz and grab your exclusive offer on all top IT certification products. I'm Celia from SPOTO, your trusted IT exam partner, ready to dive into AWS, Microsoft, CompTIA, and Palo Alto networks. Join me today in today's webinar and take the first step toward passing your IT exams on your first attempt. With 23 years of experience in IT certification training, we're here to guide you every step of the way. Be sure to like and follow us on Facebook and YouTube for more updates and exam tips. In today's live stream, we are focusing on the hottest fields in cloud computing and cybersecurity. Let's explore which certifications will be most in demand in 2026. And that's not all, we have an exclusive offer available only during today's live stream. Ready to kick off 2026 with a brand new IT certification? Stay tuned and you won't want to miss it. In this session, I will walk you through the top 5 hottest IT certifications for 2026. We will also dive into practice tests together. This is your best chance to get familiar with real exam scenarios and boost your confidence to pass on the first try. Okay, I would like to know which IT certification you want to get in coming new month. Please comment and share your dream IT certifications in the comment section. Okay, in cybersecurity field, you can choose CompTIA, Palo Alto, or Fortinet. First of all, let's look at CompTIA CCIE Plus certification. It's an intermediate level certification designed to IT professionals focus on threat detection, analysis, and response. Earning these skills is also recognized globally as a valuable credential for roles such as security analyst, threat hunter, or SOC specialist. And earning your CCIE Plus certification can help you in roles such as overall average often seated between $85,000 and $110,000. Also, with a higher salary roles, you can get it, right? Okay, let's do this test together to assess your knowledge and skill. I will show the correct answer and explanation to help you understand the questions well. And for winners who answer 5 questions correctly, you will get an extra bonus. Yes, let's begin. Question 1. A security analyst is implementing a process to perform vulnerability management on an OT environment. Systems must remain on an isolated network. The process should focus on external threats. No additional software can be deployed on the systems. Transmitted packets cannot be modified or dropped. Additional processing delays are not tolerated. Which of the following is the best way to securely meet the requirements? A. Implement agentless sensors and a network edge. B. Use reverse engineering to detect flaws on the in-scope systems. C. Deploy an IPS in line with the network traffic. D. Check the compatibility of an EDR agent with the OSS used on the OT environment. Okay, you have 30 seconds to answer this question. Please type answer in the comment zone. Okay, let's see the correct answer. The answer is A. Yes, you can see the explanation here. Question 2. Which of the following is an example of the shift-left concept as it pertains to the SDLC? A. Scanning for API keys in code committed to the development repository. B. Installing EDR protection on all microservices. C. Conducting monthly vulnerability scans against quality assurance servers. D. Automating dust scans against public web applications. Okay, please leave your answer in the comment section. Okay, the correct answer here is A. Yes, scanning for API keys in code committed to the development repository. This exemplifies the shift-left concept by integrating security early in the SDLC during the development phase rather than waiting for later stage like testing or production. Question 3. A company's DLP system triggers an alert for an end user who uploaded several high-definition pictures to an external FTP server using a company laptop from an internal network connection. Which of the following actions is the best way to determine whether the activity was malicious? A. Performing a vulnerability scan of the company's network. B. Checking the reputation of the external FTP server using ABSO-PDB. C. Using stack analysis to confirm whether data has been embedded. D. Blocking access to the external FTP using a company's proxy solution. Okay, you have 30 seconds to answer this question. Please drop your answer in the comment zone. Okay, time's up. Let's see the correct answer here. Yes, the correct answer is C. The best way to determine whether the activity was malicious is C. Yes. You can see the explanation here. Question 4. Cybersecurity analysis determine that SIEM alerts are true positives and an internal application is being attacked. Which of the following is a critical step to understanding the impact on the business at this stage? A. Notification of the legal team. B. Knowledge of any regulatory requirements. C. Root cause analysis. D. Identification of stakeholders. Okay, please leave your answer in the comment section. Okay, let's see the correct answer here. The correct answer is D. At this stage, understanding who the stakeholders are is critical for assessing the potential business impact as they can provide insight into the criticality of the affected application and the data it processes. Okay, go on. Question 5. A security analyst needs to provide evidence of regular vulnerability scanning on the company's network for an auditing process. Which of the following is an example of a tool that can produce such evidence? A. OpenVAS, B. Burp Suite, C. NMAP, D. Wireshark. Leave your answer in the comment section and let me know. Okay, let's see the answer here. Yes, the correct answer is A, OpenVAS. You can read the explanation here. And then we move on. Yes, we have done all the 5 questions of CYSA Plus. So are you ready for this exam? And if you're not, we have 100 real CYSA Plus exam downs for you today. And you can get it for only, yes, you can see here, only $220. Yes, it's a massive discount for today. And you can see the latest pass report here, and we can help you pass in 1 week only. And the price is lower than usual. Order now or you will miss it. You may wonder how to order. Yes, let me show you. You can register our website and then click the product link. Then click buy now and input the code from admin. And you can choose PayPal or OnPay with your card. And it's easy. Next, let's move to Palo Alto Next Generation Firewall Engineer Certification. The NGFW certification demonstrates hands-on skills in core security functions like threat prevention, URL filtering, decryption, and network segmentation, as well as troubleshooting and day-to-day firewall operations. This certification is highly regarded for roles specializing in Palo Alto network security solutions. You can check the salary for NGFW. Yes, it's around $124,000 1 year. Yes, if you get this certification, you may get higher salary. So let's do some practice together to know what will the exam quiz look like. Question 1. Which 2 functions require a tuner interface to be configured with an IP address? Yes, choose 2 answers for this question. Okay, you have 30 seconds to answer these questions, and please note this question needs 2 answers. Okay, let's see the correct answer here. Yes, the correct answer is A and D. You can see the explanation here. Question 2. A security architect needs to implement a set of universal security rules that block access to malicious domains for all firewalls managed by Paranormal. These Rules must be enforced regardless of any locally configured rules on the individual firewalls. Where should these rules be placed in the policy structure to ensure they are always evaluated first? A. As default rules. B. In a shared policy scope within a local rule base. C. In a post-rule base. D. In a pre-rule base. Okay, you have 30 seconds to answer this question. Okay, let's see the correct answer here. The correct answer is D, in a pre-rule base. Yes. You can see the explanation here or later. Question 3. Which two Palo Alto Networks firewall services are secured by attaching an SSL TLS service profile to their configuration? Yes, choose two answers. A. LDAP server profiles. B. Prisma access service connections. C. Authentication portal. D. Global Protect portal. Okay, please leave your answer in the comment zone. Okay, let's see the correct answer here. The correct answer is C, D. Yes. The details explanation is here. You can see this after the live ends. Yes. Question 4. A DevOps team is building a repeatable process for deploying new Palo Alto Networks VM series firewalls. The entire infrastructure, including virtual networks, subnets, and the firewalls themselves, must be defined in code to ensure consistency and enable version control. Which tool is primarily used for this type of declarative infrastructure as code provisioning? A. Panorama. B. Ansible. C. Azure DevOps. D. Terraform. Okay, please leave your answer in the comment zone. After 30 seconds, we will reveal the answer together. Okay, let's see the correct answer here. Yes, the correct answer here is D. Terraform. Yes, it's the primary tool for declarative infrastructure as code provisioning. Question 5. An engineer is configuring a site-to-site IPsec VPN to a partner network. The IKE gateway and IPsec tunnel configurations are complete, and the tunnel interface has been assigned to a security zone. However, the tunnel fails to establish and no application traffic passes through it once it's up. Which two security policy configurations are required to allow tunnel establishment and data traffic flow in this scenario? Yes, you need to choose two answers for these long questions. Please read carefully and leave your answer on the comment section. Okay, yes, the correct answer is A and B. You can read the details explanation here. Yes, it's long questions. Yes. Let's go to the NGFW exam downs live sale today. And for these questions, we have 100 real exam downs for these certifications, and we have latest passed and only almost 100 questions, which can help you pass in less time. And you can guess how much it will be today for this live sale. Yes, the original price for it is $300. Guess how much discounts can you get today? Yes, we have slashed it to $170. This is the best price for this month, and the offer is time limited. Don't miss it and grab it before it ends. You can click the link in the comment section and ask the admin to get a special code. So why choose SPOTO, not others? Yes, here I'm going to explain all the reasons. Firstly, we have 100 pass verified questions and answers. Secondly, you can pass with minimum time. It narrows the scope of exam count. And most importantly, we have 23 years of IT training experience. The reasons above are why we are so confident that we can help all candidates if you trust SPOTO. Yes. And how to order? Yes, we have exam website to help you to pay, and we will send down to you after payment. First, you need to register in our website with your email, and then we will send you a verification code in your email, and then you input the code, then input your password, and you can register. Then click the website link of the product you want. Then click buy now, input the special coupon code from admin. Then you can choose PayPal or OnPay for payment. It supports debit or credit card directly even if you don't have the PayPal account. Yes, these are 5 simple steps to get IT certified with SPOTO fast. First, you just select your certifications and then you pay the fee. We will support PayPal, OnPay, and Western Union. And then you connect us getting the detailed explanation of the exam materials. And then you can schedule the exam, which you can do by your own, or our team is happy to help, and then you practice, and then you can pass the exam in first try. Okay, let's do number 3 certification was investing in 2026. This is the Fortinet NSE5 SP SCP FMGAD 7.6 It is designed for professionals who want to demonstrate their ability to operate and configure Fortinet security solutions. Let's do this test together. Are you ready? Yes. For question 1, which 2 pieces of information are synchronized between FortiGate HA members? Choose 2. Okay. There are 4 answers here. A. OSPF adjacencies. B. IPsec security associations. C. DHCP leases. D. BGP peerings. Okay, you have 30 seconds to answer this question. And drop 2 correct answers in the comment zone. Hi, welcome first. Please leave your answer in the comment zone. Okay, let's see the correct answer here. Yes, the correct answer is B and C. Question 2. How can you disable RPF checking? A. Disable strict SRC check under system settings. B. Disable fail detect on the interface level settings. C. Disable SRC check on the interface level settings. D. Unset fail alert interfaces on the interface level settings. Okay, please leave your answer in the comment section. We will reveal the answer after 30 seconds. Okay, please check the answer here. Yes, the correct answer is C. This command is the specific CLI configuration used to disable reverse path forwarding, checking on a per interface basis on FortiGate firewalls. Yes, question 3. A FortiGate administrator is required to reduce the attack surface on the SSL VPN portal. Which SSL timer can you use to mitigate a denial of service attack? A. SSL VPN login timeout. B. SSL VPN DT1S hello timeout. C. SSL VPN HTTP request header timeout. D. SSL VPN idle timeout. Okay, you have 30 seconds to answer this question. Please leave your answer in the comment zone, and we will reveal the answer together. Okay, let's see the correct answer here. Yes, the correct answer is C. This timer helps mitigate denial of service attacks by limiting the time the FortiGate waits to receive the complete HTTP request header from an SSL VPN client. Yes, so the correct answer is C. Question 4. What are 3 key routing principles in SD-WAN? Choose 3 answers. Yes. There are 5 answers here. Please choose 3 of them. Okay, you have 30 seconds to do these questions. And please note that this question has 3 answers. Okay, let's see the correct answer here. Yes, these 3 principles govern SD-WAN behavior on FortiGate is A and B and E. Yes. Last question for NSE 5. Question 5. Which statement correctly describes Net API polling mode for the FSSO collector agent? A. The net session URL function is used to check user logouts. B. The collector agent must search Windows application event logs. C. Net API polling can increase bandwidth usage in large networks. D. The collector agent uses a Windows API to query DCs for user logins. Please leave your answer in the comment section, and we will see the answer after 30 seconds. Okay, let's see the correct answer here. Yes, the correct answer is A. You can see the detailed explanation here. Okay, let's see the NSE5 exam down price here. In today's live sale, you can enjoy a low price in 2026. The original price for this NSE5 down is $400, but now it only needs, $170. Yes, you can see the latest pulse report here in February. Don't miss this best opportunity to save big in 2026, and you can buy now and start whenever you want. 100 valid dumps and 100 real questions and answers. Please check the link on the comment zone in the section. And today only, please order now. Now let's move to cloud certification. Let's look at the number 4 certification worth investing in 2026. That is AWS. Yes, AWS Developer Associate is also called as DVACO2. This credential helps organizations identify and develop talent with critical skills for implementing cloud initiatives. Earning DVACO2 validates the ability to design and implement distributed systems on AWS. Let's do this test together. Question 1. A developer is creating a Ruby application and needs to automate the deployment, scaling, and management of an environment without requiring knowledge of the underlying infrastructure. Which service would best accomplish this task? A. AWS Code Deploy. B. AWS CloudFormation. C. AWS OpsWorks. D. AWS Elastic Beanstalk. You have 30 seconds to answer these questions, and we will see the answer after 30 seconds. Okay, let's see the correct answer here. The correct answer is D. It's a platform as a service that automates deployment, scaling, and management of applications such as Ruby apps, while abstracting the underlying infrastructure, allowing developers to focus solely on code. Question 2. Yes. A company is updating an application to move the backend of the application from Amazon EC2 instances to a serverless model. The application uses an Amazon RDS for MySQLDB instance and runs in a single VPC on the AWS. The application and the DB instance are deployed in a private subnet in the VPC. The company needs to connect AWS Lambda functions to the DB instance. So which solution will meet these requirements? Okay, please read this carefully and leave your answer in the comment section. You have 30 seconds to answer this question. Okay, let's see the correct answer here. Yes, the correct answer is B. You can see the details here. Question 3. A company is building a web application on AWS. When a customer sends a request, the application will generate reports and then make the reports available to the customer within 1 hour. Reports should be accessible to the customer for 8 hours. Some reports are larger than 1 MB. Each report is unique to the customer. The application should delete all reports that are older than 2 days. Which solution will meet these requirements with the least operational overhead? Okay, please read it carefully and choose one correct answer after 30 seconds. Okay, let's see the correct answer. Yes, the correct answer is C. Question 4. A developer is working on an e-commerce website. The developer wants to review server logs without logging to each of the application servers individually. The website runs on multiple Amazon EC2 instances, is written in Python, and needs to be highly available. How can the developer update the application to meet these requirements with minimum changes? Okay, you have 30 seconds to answer these questions. A, B, C, or D. Please choose one of the correct answer here. Okay, new members, you can do this test together with us now. Okay, let's see the correct answer. Yes, the correct answer is D. You can see the explanation here. Question 5. An application under development is required to store hundreds of video files. The data must be encrypted within the application prior to storage, with a unique key for each video file. How should the developer code the application? Yes, here are 4 question answers here. Please choose the right answer in the comment section. Only one answer is correct. Okay, please see the correct answer here. Yes, the correct answer is C. These approaches use envelopable encryption with AWS KMS, generating a unique data key per file to encrypt the data client side before storage, meeting the requirement for application-level encryption with unique keys. Okay, you can see the DVA-CO2 exam special offer here. Yes, the original price is $300. Yes, guess how much you can get today? Yes, it's only $150. Please check the link on the comment zone in the live chat section. Today only. Don't miss it now. Move on, I want to introduce Microsoft certification for you. Microsoft certification gives a professional advantage by providing globally recognized and industry-endorsed evidence of mastering skills in a digital and cloud business. Microsoft has certification paths for many technical job roles. Each of these certifications consists of passing a series of exams to earn certifications, and earning your AZ305 certification can open doors to lucrative career opportunities from cloud architect to security engineer. Now let's do this test together for AZ305. Question 1. You plan provision to a high-performance computing cluster in Azure that will use a third-party scheduler. You need to recommend a solution to provision and manage the HPC cluster node. What should you include in the recommendation? A. Azure Automation. B. Azure Cycle Cloud. C. Azure Purview. D. Azure Lighthouse. Okay, you have 30 seconds to answer this question. Okay, let's see the correct answer here. Yes, the correct answer is B, Azure Cycle Cloud. You can see the explanation here. Question 2. You need to recommend an Azure storage solution that meets the following requirements. The storage must support 1 PB of data. The data must be stored in blob storage. The storage must support 3 levels of subfolders. The storage must support access control list. So what should you include in the recommendation? A. A premier storage account that is configured for blob browse. B. A premier storage account that is configured for page browse. C. A general purpose V2 storage account that has hierarchical namespace enabled. D. A premier storage account that is configured for file shares and supports large file shares. Okay, you have 30 seconds to answer it. Please leave the correct answer in the comment section. Okay, let's see the correct answer. Yes, the correct answer is C. Here are the specific explanations here. You can see it after the cell ends. Question 3. You have a multi-tile app named APP1 and an Azure SQL database named SQL1. The backend service of APP1 writes data to SQL1. Users use the App1 client to read the data from SQL1. During periods of high utilization, the users experience delays retrieving the data. You need to minimize how long it takes for data requests. What should you include in the solution? A. Azure Content Delivery Network. B. Azure Data Factory. C. Azure Synapse Analytics. D. Azure Cache for Redis. Okay, you have 30 seconds to answer this question. Okay, the correct answer is D. Yes, education for ladies. Question 4. Yes, you can read this question carefully and choose A, B, C, or D for these questions. You have 30 seconds to answer this question. Okay, let's see the correct answer here. Yes, the correct answer is B, Data Migration Assistant. Last question for AZ 305. Question 5. You are developing an app that will read activity logs for an Azure subscription by using Azure functions. You need to recommend an authentication solution for Azure functions. The solution must minimize administrative efforts. What should you include in the recommendation? A. An enterprise application in Azure AD. B. System-assigned managed identities. C. Application registration in Azure AD. D. Shared access signatures. Okay, please leave the answer in the comment zone and let me know. Okay, let's see the correct answer here. Yes, the correct answer is D. SAS provides secure delegated access to resources like activity logs without managing additional credentials, offering a lightweight authentication method that minimizes administrative effort for Azure functions in this scenario. Okay, let's see the Azure practice test price now. For each Azure practice test, the original price is $250. Now it's only, yes, $100 today. You can save $150, over 50% off. Yes, also we provide exam service for all Microsoft exam. Just ping admin to get more offer and check the link on the comment zone to get the lowest price now. Next, let's look at some frequently asked questions by our customers. Yes, can I pass the IT exam with Q&As only? Yes, SPOTO dumps are 100 same as the real exam questions. If you practice our question bank, you will pass the exam successfully. Second, how can I know my product is the latest? Yes, no worry about it. All the products are updated fully and our IT exam dumps are the latest on remote server. If there's an update, our service will inform you by email and the server also will warn you when you practice dump. And what is the dump format? Yes, our written dump format is VCE, not PDF. It's similar to the real exam format, so you can practice the written dumps on our remote server. And can I buy now and start the service later? Yes, of course. You can buy now with the lowest price and then start the service anytime you want. Yes, you can check our exam dump service rule here. The written dump format is VCE and we provide generally 8 days to access written dumps. And our written dumps is on remote server. We offer 24 hours and 7-day access for study and review. And most importantly, We support flexible study. You can buy now and get started whenever you want. Last but not least, I want to briefly introduce you about SPOTO. SPOTO was founded in 2003, and we have specialized in IT supervision and provide structural past materials and practice tests. Over the past 23 years, SPOTO has helped more than 100,000 candidates achieve their goals and fostered more than 2,500 CCIE in the world. Yes, this reflects means that SPOTO learners are all over the world. By February 2026, SPOTO serves in more than 152 countries and regions. We launched over 300 products and have over 550,000 learners obtain their IT certifications. And the most proud thing is that over 2,500 CCIE holders are from SPOTO. Yes. In other words, almost 10% of CCIE holders in the world are SPOTO learners. And our instructors are as passionate about what they do as they do it for and are committed to your success. They are the most experienced professionals in the IT industry. Yes. Also, we have helped many learners pass their exams and they were happy to study with us. As you can see in the reviews, actions speak louder than words. Trust SPOTO, you can ace all IT exams like them easily in first try. Okay, that's all for today's section. Thank you for joining us today. If you need any other IT certification, study materials, or more details about our exam service, please join our group in the comment section. If you like today's lecture, don't forget to give a like to this video. Okay, that's all for today. See you next time. Bye.